Good afternoon. Welcome to hashtag Better Eats, where you better have ate you a steak. Today we are eating steak, baby. I just want a simple steak with some onions. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know and get you a steak with some onions. Hello. Let's get in for a piece, shall we? Let's go, let's flow. Did you cut that steak? Hello. Be sure to pray. God is good. God is great. Thank you a lot for this plate. Alright, here's a piece for you. I have already cut it. See how good it is? You really don't even need a knife. Let's be real. When you don't need a knife. See this? I don't need no knife for real. I don't need no knife for on the real. This bites for you. Here you go. Enjoy. Mm, 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 mm. Like, share, and comment. And be sure to enjoy a nice steak. This is your chef, hashtag Chef Divine. It's a pleasure. Go be mighty, and eat you a steak. You did. Peace.